Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to assign a number to Nextiva? Maybe you're a new user, or maybe you're just trying to troubleshoot a problem. Either way, it can be a bit confusing if you don't know what you're doing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign a number to Nextiva. I'll cover the basics, as well as some more advanced topics. What is Nextiva? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Nextiva is. Nextiva is a cloud-based business phone system. It's a great option for small businesses and enterprises. Nextiva offers a variety of features, including unlimited calling, voicemail, fax, video conferencing, and much more. How to assign a number to Nextiva. Now that we know what Nextiva is, let's get started with assigning a number. Step 1. Log in to your Nextiva account. The first step is to log in to your Nextiva account. You can do this by going to the Nextiva website and clicking on the Login button. Step 2. Go to the Numbers tab. Once you're logged in, click on the Numbers tab. Step 3. Click on the Add Number button. Next, click on the Add Number button. Step 4. Select the type of number you want to add. You can choose from a variety of number types, including local number, toll-free number, vanity number, international number. Step 5. Enter the number you want to add. Once you've selected the type of number you want to add, enter the number you want to add. Step 6. Click on the Save button. Once you've entered the number, click on the Save button. Your number is now assigned to Nextiva. You can now use your new number to make calls and receive calls. Advanced topics. Now that you know how to assign a number to Nextiva, let's take a look at some more advanced topics. How to assign a number to a user. You can assign a number to a user by going to the Users tab and clicking on the Edit User button. Then, click on the Numbers tab and select the number you want to assign to the user. How to assign a number to a group. You can assign a number to a group by going to the Groups tab and clicking on the Edit Group button. Then, click on the Numbers tab and select the number you want to assign to the group. How to assign a number to a department. You can assign a number to a department by going to the Departments tab and clicking on the Edit Department button. Then, click on the Numbers tab and select the number you want to assign to the department. How to assign a number to a call flow. You can assign a number to a call flow by going to the Call Flows tab and clicking on the Edit Call Flow button. Then, click on the Numbers tab and select the number you want to assign to the call flow. Assigning a number to Nextiva is easy. Just follow the steps in this video and you'll be up and running in no time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.